Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another live session of Technology Talk, where we discuss on latest technologies, products, and solutions offered by Hikvision. Today, we are going to discuss on smart wireless intrusion system, that is AXR. And for this, we have with us Mr. Siddesh Shetty, Product Manager, West Region Alarm and Inspection Products. Mr. Siddesh, welcome to Technology Talk.
Well, thank you so much, Vinith, for having me here, and very good afternoon to all of you.
So thank you so much to all our partners for joining, and this is one of the special announcement to all of you. During the session, we are providing you a Pro Disco offer. So in middle of the session, definitely you will get the Pro Disco offer on your mobile app. You can just click on Pro Disco and you can grab that offer. Also during the entire session, if you have any kind of issue or any kind of doubts related with the AXR, you can type your question in comment section. At the end of the session, we will answer your all queries. Also, there is a quiz contest to all of you. Those who will give a right answer of quiz question which is asked by us, they will get the chance to win exciting prizes from Hikvision. So, Siddesh, let's begin the session. First of all, I would like to know what exactly the AXM and how it is a game changer in the intrusion market.
Well, that's a very wise question, Vinith. So, to understand the greatness or a special case of a AX hub,
Okay,
first we need to understand what exactly the intrusion system is.
that's important.
So, basically, intrusion system is a security system which deters the theft or the unwanted, unlawful intrusion. So that is a basic concept of an intrusion system. But what really makes AXUp really special is the complete IoT-based wireless platform, which get linked with CCTV cameras, mobile application, Wi-Fi connectivity, arsenal of wireless sensors, and overall one-tap solution on your mobile application. So that together makes a great package and like no other in the competitive market.
Okay, that's a very much important point. Intrusion system first of all क्या है?
Right.
Which helps to stop crime before happening.
Right.
कोई क्राइम अगर आपका होने वाला है या कुछ लोकेशन पे अगर वो हो सकता है उसको हम रोक सकते हैं through a intrusion system. And this intrusion system is right now available completely wireless.
Yes, completely wireless.
So I'm very excited to know about what exactly the AXOP contains.
Yes. So, for the better understanding of the our partners and the audience which are connected through online, we have made a special presentation for them, and we will be taking them through the three parts of presentation, starting with the product life, product family, and introduction. Then we will be talking about the advantages and the features, and lastly, the application that where we can install AX Hub. So let's start with the introduction. The slide which you are the screen you are seeing right now, it contains basically two parts: the product family and the specification. So we'll start with the product family with it. So right now you are seeing an entire kit which we are offering in the market.
Okay.
At the center, it's a panel of AX Hub. We call it panel, main panel. It is a heart and body, heart and brain of the entire system. On the right hand side of the panel, it is a normal PIR wireless sensor. Mind you, this is completely Petimin system with high temperature, and basically, so even though there is a higher temperature rise in the area, it will still work seamlessly. That is completely wireless system. On the left hand side, there is a magnetic contact which protects your doors and windows from the entry from doors and windows. And the small key button which you are seeing right there is basically a wireless key fob, which basically acts as a your car remote to activate and deactivate the alarm system. So that is the entire kit which we are offering in the market.
That's very interesting, Siddesh. So this complete kit consists of a PIR detector, that is a
Yes.
motion detector,
Yes.
as well as I can see there is a displacement sensor, magnetic sensor
Yes.
also, plus key fob is
Yes.
also available.
Yes.
So quite good compact complete kit we have available
Yes.
with us.
So basically, we have put a very brief logic behind it. So even if you have to cover a small area, small store or small house, this one kit will enough for everything.
दिस वन किट विल बी इनफ फॉर एवरीथिंग. तो बहुत ही अच्छा है कॉम्पैक्ट किट है जिसके अंदर आपको एक पैनल और पेरिफेरल्स दोनों वहां पे
Yes.
किट में ही आपको अवेलेबल है.
Yes.
Again, I would like to inform to all of you, those who joined right now, there is a Pro Disco is enabled to all of you. You can just click on the tab, yellow color tab of Pro Disco, and grab the Pro discount offer right now. सो ये सेशन देखते देखते आप प्रो डिस्को ऑफर भी वहां पे अवेल कर सकते हो. Moving to the Siddesh, now we have seen all the peripherals and panel, but our partners are more and more looking to understand the specification
Of
of
course,
each and every, what are the panel
of course,
specification,
of
what
course,
are the peripheral
of
specifications.
course, of course. So it's a very valid question, Vinay. uh, हमारा जो AX हब है उसको हम
Okay.
स्पेशल कैसे करते हैं, वो इतना बढ़िया क्यों है और ये कंपटीटर को कैसे किल करता है, इसके हम अभी स्पेसिफिकेशंस जानेंगे. So as I mentioned, it's completely IoT based and wireless intelligent security system. That's why it is completely loaded with features. तो आप अगर आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हो तो ये सारे फीचर्स आप देख पाओगे. ये फीचर्स इस पैनल को completely अलग बनाते हैं, completely different और स्पेशल बनाते हैं. तो we will go one by one through the features.
Okay.
It runs on a 433 मेगाहर्ट्ज frequency रेडियो frequency. तो ये रेडियो frequency पे कम्युनिकेट करता है, वाईफाई पे नहीं करता, बिकॉज वाईफाई जैम हो सकता है, हैक हो सकता है. बट रेडियो frequency जैम करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, एंड फॉर दैट आल्सो we use patented technology, anti jamming technology,
Okay.
right? Apart from that, it works two-way wireless communication between panel and sensors. इसका मतलब क्या है कि पैनल और सेंसर दोनों एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं, सो दैट आपका पैनल हमेशा और हमेशा एक्टिव रहेगा. कभी कोई सेंसर या कोई पैनल स्लीप मोड पे नहीं जाता. तो ये बहुत एडवांटेजेस बात होती है, इसके बारे में हम आगे और जानेंगे. इसको आप 32 अलग अलग सेंसर जोड़ सकते हैं, आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं कंप्लीटली वायरलेस, कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन में. अगर आपको वायरलेस फायर प्रोटेक्शन सिस्टम देनी है, फायर सोल्यूशन देना है, तो उसमें आप वायरलेस स्मोक डिटेक्टर 32 के 32 ऐड करके आप लगा सकते हैं.
Okay.
So again, it becomes a very handy solution, completely wireless solution. Apart from that, it has a battery backup for 12 hours. Completely, even though there is a power failure, the panel, you have to be rest assured that panel will work very seamlessly. जो आपके सेंसर्स होते हैं वो CR23A ट्रिपल ए साइज के लिथियम बैटरीज पे चलते हैं, तो उसका पावर सप्लाई देने का कोई सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता, और पैनल को ऑलरेडी बैटरी बैकअप प्रोवाइड की गई है. उसके अलावा सबसे बढ़िया बात यह है कि विनीत, अगर हमको बड़ा प्रीमाइसेस कवर करना है,
Yes.
तो इट हैज अ रेंज ऑफ 800 मीटर्स.
Oh, that's great. 800 meters.
800 मीटर्स, so बेसिकली दैट इज 200 मीटर्स लेस देन अ किलोमीटर. आप सोचो इसकी ओपन एरिया में रेंज कितनी बड़ी है. तो आप बहुत सारे पैनल देखते हैं कि उनका कैपेबिलिटी आप 100 सेंसर जोड़ सकते हो, बट रेंज होता है 100 मीटर्स.
Right.
तो 100 मीटर्स में 100 सेंसर जोड़ने का कोई सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता. तो इसमें आप 32 सेंसर जोड़ सकते हो 800 मीटर्स में. तो अगेन इट्स अ वेरी हैंडी एंड वेरी कॉम्पैक्ट सोल्यूशन एंड वेरी यूजफुल. उससे आगे बढ़कर हम बात करेंगे कि कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी.
Okay.
ये कम्प्लीटली वॉइस प्रॉम्प्टेड है, तो आपको कोई पासवर्ड या कोई ज्यादा चीजें सेट नहीं करती मैन्युअली, आपको ज्यादा कुछ छेड़ना नहीं है प्रोडक्ट को. तो अगेन इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी फॉर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन एज वेल. एंड अभी हम जो IoT की बात करें, जो मैं एम्फसाइज कर रहा था कि व्हाई दिस प्रोडक्ट इज IoT, basically you can use this product for a basic automation as well. So apart from the security solution, you also can trigger your lights, fan, and this kind of small electricity devices from your mobile application itself. So all the devices, everything would be there on your fingertip, starting from the security to the automation as well. So this is a very handy solution for as a IoT based as well. हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करेंगे. इट सपोर्ट्स, इट हैज इनबिल्ट GPRS GSM डायलर. सो व्हाट इट डज, बेसिकली इट हैज अ सिम स्लॉट. तो आपको SMS कॉलिंग जो बेसिक फीचर्स है वो तो मिल ही जाएंगे इन केस ऑफ इंट्रूजन. But with the Wi-Fi connectivity and the LAN connectivity which is there in the panel itself, it will also support you with the video pop-up. You can link the CCTV cameras with the panel, which is the biggest USP which we have in the market. You can link any third-party CCTV IP cameras. Of course, Hikvision तो है, तो Hikvision का तो लगेगा ही.
Obviously.
But any third-party cameras, बहुत से बार ऐसा होता है कि people have already installed
Yes.
some other cameras. तो कोई भी ऑन द प्रोटोकॉल पे चलने वाला कैमरा इससे आप सॉफ्टवेयर पे लिंक कर सकते हो, एंड दैट विल गिव यू द वीडियो पॉपअप एज वेल इन द केस ऑफ intrusion. So this is the entire, all the feature lineup that makes the panel very special in the market.
दैट्स वेरी क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग सिद्धेश. जैसे कि हमने देखा ये कंप्लीट पैनल एक छोटे से किट में वहां पे अवेलेबल हो रहा है आपको. पेरिफेरल्स भी है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू कैन कनेक्ट 32 वायरलेस इनपुट्स और
Yes,
सेंसर्स आल्सो.
yes.
सो अगर कल जाके आपको एक्सपांशन करना है सेंसर्स का, दैट फीचर्स भी अवेलेबल है.
Definitely.
ऑल्सो वन मोर इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट यू हैव डिस्कस अबाउट 800 मीटर डिस्टेंस सपोर्ट करता है. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द वहां पे यूजर्स सोचते हैं कि वायरलेस से कितने दूर तक रेंज रहेगा. And the communication is also very encrypted.
बिल्कुल.
So is no any problem for due to the Wi-Fi. It's completely encrypted information is going to be sent in between the panel and your sensor.
Yes.
And one more point I would like to highlight over here, that this panel is supports a dual multiple connectivity.
Yes, multiple
That's
connectivity.
what important for all of us,
So,
because
yeah.
smartphone तो सभी use कर रहे हैं.
Yes, and especially in the rural market where network connectivity could be a problem.
Yes.
Then this panel will work on the 2G band as well. तो आपको सिर्फ 4G या सिर्फ 5G लगेगा ऐसा नहीं है, आपको कोई भी सिम कार्ड डालिए और ये 2G बैंड को भी सपोर्ट करेगा.
That's quite interesting. And lots of specification and the quite interesting USPs है.
Yes.
शायद हमारे पार्टनर को ये सारी USP अंडरस्टैंड हुई होगी एंड वो ये पैनल एक सही जगह एक सही कस्टमर को डेफिनेटली पिच कर सकते हैं. So thank you so much again viewers for connecting with us. Here after the Pro Disco, I am launching for you a quiz contest.
Yes.
A first quiz contest to all of you. Are you ready for that? If you are ready to attend the first quiz contest and win the prizes from Equigen, please type yes in your comment section. Come on, fast. Please type yes in your comment section. So meanwhile, we will display a question, a quiz contest one question to all of you. So here you can see सबसे पहला सवाल क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट 1 में आपके लिए है. What is the maximum range of the panel in open area? ओपन एरिया में पैनल की मैक्सिमम रेंज कितनी है? जो भी पर्सन इस क्वेश्चन का सही ऑप्शन बहुत ही जल्दी टाइप करेंगे उनको इक्विजन की तरफ से वहां पे एक इनाम मिलने वाला है. यू विल गेट द चांस टू विन एक्साइटिंग प्राइजेस फ्रॉम इक्विजन. योर टाइम विल स्टार्ट नाउ. You have only 10 seconds. Come on, fast. If you think the right answer is B, you can type B. If you think right answer is C, you can type C in your comment section. The person who will type very fastly and very quickly, we will announce the name of the person at the end of this session. So कहीं जाइएगा मत. विनर्स के नाम और इस क्वेश्चन का सही जवाब क्या था ये भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे सेशन के एंड में. So hope everyone attended this quiz contest. So Siddesh, again over to you. We have seen a lots of USPs.
Yes.
Okay, it's a technical specs.
Yes.
So based on this, what exactly the features and advantage we will get through this AX panel?
Definitely. So as I mentioned, this is completely loaded with features. Now it is time to understand basically the advantages which we get through these features.
Okay.
So how that could be beneficial for the customers and the installers as well. So now we will take you to the features and advantages part. So we'll move to the next slide and understand what exactly the first feature is. So the screen you are seeing right now is basically the list of features which we would be explaining. The first would be the two-way wireless benefits. तो जैसे मैंने बताया था कि panel supports a two-way wireless communication between panel and sensor. How that actually is beneficial for the customers as well as the installers. So the people who have worked in this industry or they are going forward towards the wireless solution, they will always have a question कि इसका battery life क्या है? What would be the battery life? How long the sensors would last, the battery would last? Because that could be a pain point, right?
Right.
So to be very honest, if you go ahead with the AX sub solution, you have to be rest assured that your battery life would be very long. I'll tell you why. Because there has to be a continuous communication between the sensor and the panel, right? They have to communicate between each other to stay active, to alert each other that we are working fine, we are working seamlessly. अगर ये communication सिर्फ पैनल के तरफ से या फिर सेंसर्स के तरफ से जाता है तो एंटायर बैटरी यूजेज सिर्फ एक डिवाइस का होता है. So that becomes a problem and that actually drains the battery, not the usage. So that is why we have a two-way wireless communication that panel and sensor both will communicate with each other. So उसमें कैसा होता है? The power usage will be balanced and the entire burden would not fall on the sensor or the panel only. So that's how the overall communication works. And in the market, you could see there are a lot of partners or there are a lot of players which have only one-way communication and that impacts their power utility or power usage. But here we have solved that problem very seamlessly, very effectively, and that is why we are providing a longer battery life of almost 1 year for all the sensors. And apart from that, पैनल के लिए तो बैटरी बैकअप है ही और पावर सप्लाई तो आप कंटिन्यूस दोगे और बैटरी बैकअप भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं. Yes. So that is the two-way wireless benefit.
That's very important सिद्धेश. जैसे हमने देखा दोनों तरफ से कम्युनिकेशन हो रहा है उसकी मदद से पावर का कंज्यूमशन
Yes.
जो बहुत जरूरी है वायरलेस सेंसर्स आपको लगाने हैं.
Yes.
बिकॉज इट ऑल्सो कंटेन्स वन काइंड ऑफ बैटरी.
Yes.
तो लोग सोचते हैं अरे कितने दिन तक काम करेगा वो बैटरी, 1 महीना 2 महीना 6 महीना कितने दिन तक वो चलेगा. But due to the good technology presence,
Yes.
here you can do the power consumption with the help of two-way communication.
Yes. Yes.
So बहुत ही interesting feature देखी. Let's we will move on to the next feature.
Of course. So in this picture now we will
Okay.
explain about the configuration of the panel. People seem to have made a perception that installing an intelligent panel would be really difficult. It is really not. So even to expand your business prospect, this could be a very handy slide for you, very handy information for you. So if you have to install the panel, we are providing multiple options. ऐसे नहीं है कि आपको सिर्फ यही चीज होनी चाहिए तो उससे आप इंस्टॉल करोगे. You can configure the panel through mobile application with your fingertips. We can install the panel with IBMS 4200 tool, which is a free tool which we provide with the you must have aware about. And third and last but not the least, the web browser. If you don't have the mobile application, if you don't have the IBMS tool, you can straight away log into the web browser and start configuring from that. So ऐसे नहीं है कि हमने दे दिया और बात खत्म. It has to be easier for you as well to install the panel, right? It has to be user friendly too, and that's why we are providing the multiple solutions for the configuration as well.
दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पैनल आपके पास वायरलेस है. सबसे
Yes.
पहले वायरलेस की बात करें तब हमारे पार्टनर्स या इंजीनियर्स थोड़े से स्टक हो जाते हैं. अरे वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन है, कैसे कॉन्फ़िगर करके, क्या आईपी एड्रेस देना पड़ेगा, हाउ वी कैन कनेक्ट वायरलेसली. सो बहुत ही इजी वे से आप ये पैनल को कॉन्फ़िगर कर सकते हो.
Yes.
फर्स्ट एक कनेक्ट ऐप आपके पास है, जस्ट सिंपली ऐड कर दो और पैनल को कॉन्फ़िगर हो जाएगा आपका.
बिल्कुल.
Web-based server is available.
Yes.
So if you know the IP address, we are connecting a line cable, you
Yes.
can directly access this
Yes.
to complete entire console of this panel. And IBMS 4200 is always there to configure each and every device of user. So that quite interesting, सिद्धेश की जैसे पहले फीचर में जैसे आपने बताया कि टू वे वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन है, तो बैटरी का पावर कंजम्पशन भी सेव होता है, प्लस पैनल और सेंसर्स इन दोनों का कम्युनिकेशन होना बहुत जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल.
ताकि बहुत सारे लोग क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि इंट्रूजन सिस्टम आप लगा रहे हो बट उसमें से वायरलेस लगा रहे हो, not wired. तो कैसे पता चलेगा कि मैंने बहुत दूर तक जो मेरे सेंसर लगाया है वो वर्क कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है? क्या मुझे हमेशा उसके पास जाके उसका लाइट चल रहा है कि नहीं वो देखना पड़ेगा या नहीं? It's not a big task. Just
Not a big
two-way
task.
communication. A panel understand itself. The sensor is connected and it's live.
बिल्कुल.
So I think some kind of indications we are getting in the
Of
panel
course,
of console
of course.
that our sensor is active.
Of course. So we provide the entire list of sensors which are connected to the panel on mobile application,
Okay.
and you will get the complete health monitoring of that sensor, whether that sensor is active or not.
Yes.
You will get that indication on your mobile application only. And apart from that, as Vineet has rightly mentioned that अगर बैटरी डाउन होता है तो भी क्या कर सकते हैं, आपको पता कैसे चलेगा? So even if the battery goes down to 30%, you will get a notification on your mobile
That's
application.
important.
तो आपको पता चलेगा कि आपकी कौन सी सेंसर की बैटरी डाउन हुई है and how you can go ahead and change the batteries. So it is a very so we have put a very big thoughts behind the entire operation of the panel, and that's why it becomes a very prominent player in the market.
That's important, very important, Siddesh. Apart from the discuss with the battery, जैसे आपने बैटरी का,
Yes.
there is a panel inside, there is a battery is available.
Yes.
Okay, so maybe a power cut down होता है या कुछ भी होता है. So how many hours power backup is available through the panel?
So as I mentioned, it supports up to 12 hours of battery backup.
Yes.
तो अगर आपका पावर भी कट डाउन होता है या फिर नेटवर्क भी डाउन होता है, कभी कभी आपका इंटरनेट भी डाउन हो सकता है, उसमें भी अगर इंटरनेट चेंज होता है तो भी आपको अलर्ट मिलेंगे. पावर डाउन होता है तो भी आपको अलर्ट मिलेगा. So you will get the alert for everything which is happening with the panel. So you have to be rest assured. You just have to install the panel, make the connectivity and power supply, and then you have to be rest assured that your premises should be secure, and you will get all the updates which are required for you.
Yes, your premises will be get secured completely. So here again, I would just like to inform to all or each and everyone that there is a Pro Disco offer live is going on with this technology talk. Just you can click on the Pro Disco tab, which is right there on your mobile app, and you can avail a pro discount, which is specially for today's AX Hub session, only for all of our partners, those who join this session. Please do not miss this opportunity. Click on the Pro Disco tab and avail a Pro Disco offer. So second Pro Disco offer we just will release. You can say and connect a click on this and you can grab it. So Siddesh, quite interesting. We have seen the specification and we have seen some of the features like multiple configuration mode, two-way communication.
Yes.
That's quite interesting.
Yes.
Now this is a wireless panel, Siddesh. If I can connect in the residence as well as for the commercial application
Of
also.
course.
But for connecting, I have the mobile app software, everything is there. Okay, so how the connectivity, can I directly connect to the mobile or can I get connected through a local Wi-Fi? How this will the features are
Okay.
there?
So it's a very right question to ask, Vinith, and we have a special feature for that as well. So
Okay.
we will move on to the slide and we'll understand that feature. So now, as Vinith has rightly mentioned that configuring, you need to have
Right.
some sort of a connectivity or a network at the site, right? And that could be a problem. अगर आप किसी रूरल साइट पे जाते हो जिधर किधर भी कनेक्टिविटी है ही नहीं,
Mhm.
या फिर अगर कोई अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट है जिधर लैंड
Actually,
वायर या वाईफाई कनेक्टिविटी नहीं है,
yes.
तो what we can do, we have provided a hotspot in the panel itself.
Okay.
So that is a huge advantage, that we are providing the panel's own hotspot to configure the panel. You just have to connect your laptop or mobile application or mobile to that hotspot, and you can configure the panel from that hotspot itself. That hotspot would not be used for the internet usage, but it will be for the configuration itself. But we are given the option, we have provided the solution that अगर आप rural site पे भी जाते हो, you should not face the difficulties to configure the panel, and that's why we have provided the inbuilt hotspot in the panel itself. It can be turned on by one small button inside the panel. अगर आप उसको AP मोड पे डालते हो तो वो सीधा हॉटस्पॉट देना चालू करेगा. स्टेशन मोड पे इट विल वर्क एज अ रेगुलर पैनल.
क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग. एपी मोड में आप यूज कर सकते हो और अदरवाइज स्टेशन मोड में भी
Yes.
आप यूज कर सकते हो, जिससे आप रेगुलर आपके घर के या किसी भी प्रीमाइसेस के ऑफिस के वाईफाई को आप
Right.
उसको कनेक्ट कर
बिल्कुल,
सकते हो.
बिल्कुल.
अगर आपका पैनल वाईफाई को कनेक्ट होता है, इफ यू आर गेटिंग द इंटरनेट, डेफिनेटली रिमोटली आल्सो थ्रू मोबाइल
Yes,
ऐप यू
yes.
कैन ऑपरेट फ्रॉम एनीवेयर.
Yes, from anywhere in the world you can operate your app. You can see the notification. You can even get the notification, operate and handle the panel as well. Automate भी आप कर सकते हो.
Yes, that's very important. So Siddesh, at the start of this session, you have discussed that we have an intrusion system.
Yes.
But it's not only the intrusion system; it's a complete package.
Exactly.
Intrusion plus CCTV.
Exactly.
So how the CCTV system can we get love with that, and what are the benefits?
Exactly. So I would like to just add on that regular orthodox intrusion system will give you the SMS or mobile call, right?
Yes.
Max to max call. उसके लिए भी आपको you have to add the GSM dialer or GPRS dialer separately. What we have provided, we have gone 10 steps ahead and gave you the video notification as well.
Okay.
So what we have shown you on the screen, that you can link the CCTV cameras, existing IP cameras of any company, any third party vendor can also be linked with the panel, or you can link any of our Hikvision's IP cameras or EaseWiz IP cameras straight to the panel itself. So what we have done, Vinith, here, that for the small scenarios, small location premises like a store or offices, people will always come and tell you that I don't require an NVR, I don't require that many cameras.
Yes.
So what we have done, that for two cameras, you don't even require a storage mechanism. So that is a very handy solution or a situation to have. आपको NVR का खर्चा नहीं है, आपको SD card का खर्चा नहीं है. Panel will have its 7 seconds buffer memory, which will store the 7 seconds video and push it across your mobile application. तो SMS कॉल तो पैनल का पार्ट है, जैसे मैंने बताया कि वो काफी ऑर्थोडॉक्स हो जाते हैं, बट नाउ यू कैन हैव द वीडियो पॉपअप एज वेल. अगर आपके जगह पे कोई अनवांटेड इंसिडेंट होता है, कोई सेंसर ट्रिगर करता है, तो यू विल गेट द CCTV फुटेज फॉर 7 seconds ऑन योर मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन अलॉन्ग विद कॉल एंड SMS. तो ये एक बढ़िया बेनिफिट हो जाता है इफ यू डोंट वांट एनी स्टोरेज पर से फॉर द CCTV कैमरास.
That's quite interesting. बहुत ही अच्छी फीचर्स है सिद्धेश.
Yes.
जैसे कि इंट्रूजन पैनल है, सेंसर्स लगाए आपने, आप रिमोट लोकेशन पे बैठो, आपको अलर्ट्स तो आ जाते हैं, बट इज योर अलार्म्स इज एक्यूरेट?
Yes.
You have to identify first.
Yes.
So वीडियो वेरिफिकेशन ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर है. मोबाइल के ऊपर नोटिफिकेशन आने के बाद आई थिंक एज यू डिस्कस अ स्मॉल क्लिप यू विल गेट
Yes.
इट
Yes.
एंड यू कैन वेरीफाई सच में कोई आपके एरिया में वहां पे आया है.
बिल्कुल.
And if there is a person is available in your area, you can take immediate action on that.
बिल्कुल.
जो इंट्रूजन सिस्टम में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
बिल्कुल.
आपके सेंसर्स तो अलर्ट देते हैं, बहुत सारे इंट्रूजन सिस्टम नोटिफिकेशन तो देते हैं कि आप इमीडिएटली एक्शन ले सकते हो. With this video verification, you can do that.
बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल.
Now, one more thing over here, I can see that not only the Hikvision camera, but third-party camera also
Yes.
can able to
Yes.
add. How
Yes.
it is possible?
So basically, mostly all the IP cameras run on on-WIF protocol.
Right.
So we have made this panel compatible not only with the OEM manufacturer, with that protocol itself. So any cameras running on the on-WIF protocol would be compatible with this panel. So that makes your life very easy. बहुत से बार ऐसे होता है कि people will tell us that we already have installed so ABC cameras or XYZ cameras in our premises which are not Hikvision. Will that work with the panel? Of course, that will work because we are here to provide you a solution, a safe premises, not to just pull the business out of it. We are here to provide a secure and safe premises as well.
यस सो आपको ये इंट्रूजन पैनल लगाना है और वो प्रीमाइसेस पे अगर इक्विजन के कैमरे कनेक्टेड हो definitely it can get easily connected
Yes.
and add in your panel.
Yes.
If there is a third party camera, definitely it's also support through audio.
Exactly.
सो जहां जहां आपके सीसीटीवी कैमरा है वहां पे एक नेक्स्ट लेवल की आपको वीडियो सर्विलेंस के साथ सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करनी है विद ट्रू डिटेक्टर्स डेफिनेटली यू कैन पुश दिस काइंड ऑफ पैनल्स
Definitely.
सो सिद्धेश वी हैव सीन दिस वीडियो वेरिफिकेशन फीचर नाउ अलर्ट्स की बात करें तो मोस्ट ऑफ द अलर्ट्स इन इंट्रूजन सिस्टम वी आर टेकिंग इट ऑन द CMS.
Yes.
Okay, so what you will be say about the working of completely CMS with this panel?
Of course. So basically, it's okay when you are installing a panel in small house or a standalone scenario. इधर आपको एक ही premises cover करना है where you want to cover only one or single office or single premises. But what if you have different stores, franchises, or a multiple location which you want to cover? So what we have done, we have basically made this panel CMS compatible. So you can install this panel at multiple location, as you can see on your screen that you have installed the panel on multiple location, and still you will be able to monitor at all the location from single platform, from single software itself. So that makes your life very easy because अगर आप छोटा ब्रांच का सिनारियो ले लो या फ्रेंचाइजी स्टोर का सिनारियो ले लो, even if those stores are situated in different states, still you will be able to monitor all the stores in one single platform. So that is, how powerful that AX Hub is. This is this small, but it is a very mighty product to have.
वेरी ग्रेट रेसिडेंशियल एप्लीकेशन के लिए आपके पास एक मोबाइल ऐप तो है ही जो बहुत ही स्मार्टफोन में आप यूज कर सकते हो बट कहीं ना कहीं अ बिग एप्लीकेशन लाइक कोई बिजनेस एप्लीकेशन के लिए आपके पास ये सॉफ्टवेयर है जो कंप्लीटली इस सिस्टम को
बिल्कुल.
ऐड कर सकता है और
बिल्कुल.
नोटिफिकेशन आपको प्रोवाइड कर सकता है
बिल्कुल.
so lots of feature we will get it and what about the alerts actually what type of alerts or some kind of the business application if there is an intrusion system connected people require the end user require reports
Right.
or logs
Right.
so is this software support same also
Of course. So basically, when you go for the commercialized use, where you have to cover a lot of row houses or an entire textile mall or any mall per se, where there are a lot of stores and there could be a requirement of a lot of installation of AX hubs as well.
okay
That all can be controlled from a one single control room, one single platform, as I have mentioned. And as you are seeing on your screen, जो राइट हैंड साइड पे आप जो देख रहे हो द कैमरा पॉपअप अलार्म इफ देयर इज एनी अलर्ट you will get a video pop-up along with the alarm details from which sensor that alarm has generated. So you will get all the details on your screen. So for example, there are 100 cameras installed. You don't have to see small windows of the cameras. Whenever there is an alert, that camera window will pop up on your screen. You don't have to search through the different feeds of the cameras. And below, you could see the logs. So
Okay.
when you commercialize this application, you require an entire set of logs to be provided to the end customer. So that is a basic mandate when you work in the tender based projects or in a commercialized based projects. You have to provide a log on a weekly basis or the daily basis as well. So there you could see at the center of your screen the set of logs, and every log will have its own details, its own photos which they have captured in the log. So you can provide the entire set of details to the end customers as well.
that's very great so in this complete AX hub at the start I have seen this there is a kit available
Yes.
which consists of the motion detector
Yes.
and the magnetic sensors
Yes.
so apart from that if customer there is a required for the big projects
Yes.
additional sensors or long range detectors
Yes.
such kind of peripherals we have available with this
So Vinit, we have a complete arsenal of wireless sensors.
oh that's great
Yeah, and not only wireless, we also have a sensors which can execute and utilize existing wired sensors as well.
Okay.
So that small sensor will convert wired sensors into wireless. We have that much capabilities in our technology. So I'll take you through the wireless arsenal which we have of the sensors. On the left hand side, on the topmost corner, you could see the wireless receiver or wireless output expander, which that you can use AX hub for the complete automation as well. अगर आपकी घर के लाइट्स आपको स्विच ऑन ट्रिगर करने हैं, आपको फैन ऑन ऑफ करना है, छोटे बहुत एलईडी जो कर्टन सेंसर्स होते हैं उनको यूज करना है, यू कैन यूज दैट आउटपुट एक्सपांडर एज वेल फॉर द ऑटोमेशन पार्ट. So it supports AX hub supports 32 inputs as well as 32 outputs.
Okay.
तो जो मॉडर्न हाउस का जो डेफिनेशन हो गया है अभी दिन
Yes.
के सिक्योरिटी तो चाहिए बट अभी ऑटोमेशन भी चाहिए सो दैट सपोर्ट दैट एज वेल सो इट इज अ कंप्लीट पैकेज द सेकंड सेंसर यू आर seeing on from the top on the left hand side is a wireless smoke sensor.
Okay.
So again it is a very beautiful solution with it
Definitely.
because market में wireless alarm protection system है नहीं
Okay.
है तो वो काफी efficient नहीं है.
Right.
Here we can provide completely fireproof system with the smoke sensors, wireless hooter, wireless panic button, and you have a wireless fire protection system as well from the same panel. Because panel has the capacity to connect with 32 sensors, so
That's
that
great.
covers the entire big area with the smoke sensors as well. From the top left, we have a wireless PIR motion sensor. As I mentioned, it is a high temperature sensor. So in the areas like Rajasthan, Nagpur, Ahmedabad, where temperature goes really high in the summer,
Okay.
this sensor could be very handy. Where a lot of other sensors fail because temperature variation वो detect नहीं कर पाते.
Yes.
But our sensor is completely made for those scenarios for the high temperature, and that is how it works seamlessly even those situations. On the rightmost corner on the top that is a wireless panic button. तो पैनिक बटन को आपको पता ही होगा कि आप कैसे यूज करते हो अगर आपको कोई थ्रेट लगता है आपको कोई इमरजेंसी लगती है यू जस्ट हैव टू प्रेस दैट पैनिक बटन एंड द ब्यूटी ऑफ दैट पैनिक बटन इज इट डजंट हैव एनी वायर उसमें बैटरी है आप किधर भी टेबल के नीचे स्टिक कर लो कैश काउंटर है मैनेजर बैंक मैनेजर है या फिर कोई भी सिक्योरिटी पर्सन के नीचे लगा लो एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू प्रेस दैट बटन टू जनरेट एन अलर्ट. So these are the top line of our wireless sensors.
Okay.
In the middle on the left hand side we have a displacement sensor. So as I mentioned Vinay कि ये सिर्फ रेसिडेंशियल और बैंक्स में नहीं काम कर सकते इसका बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशंस है फीचर्स
Right.
बहुत ज्यादा है तो एप्लीकेशन भी बहुत ज्यादा है.
Yes.
तो जिधर भी फॉर एग्जांपल टेक अ म्यूजियम where people install they have kept a very valuable things and people often steal those things right because जैसे सिक्योरिटी एडवांस हो रही है ऐसे चोर और थेफ्ट भी एडवांस होते जा रहे हैं.
Actually.
So basically, they just take away the things from them. So what you can do, you can place that displacement sensor on that thing,
Okay.
and whenever that thing is moved, you will get an alert.
That's great.
So अगर वो चीज अपनी जगह से हिलती भी है, you will get an alert. That is why that displacement sensor is mentioned. At the center, it is a key fob. As I mentioned, it's a wireless remote to active and deactivate. At the center of the key fob, you could see the red button in it. Even that red button can be used as a panic button. But the key fob has a रेंज लिमिटेशन ऑफ 100 मीटर्स.
Okay.
जैसे आपके कार का रिमोट होता है आप कार एक सर्टन जगह से या सर्टन डिस्टेंस से आप अनलॉक और लॉक कर सकते हो सिमिलर टू दैट दैट की फोब वुड हैव अ रेंज लिमिटेशन ऑफ 100 meters. On the right hand side at the middle there is a outdoor PIR. So of course our system is it's not only to provide security for the inside of premises but also secures your outside of the premises as well. It is a completely weatherproof outdoor PIR. इट्स अ ट्रिपल टेक टेक्नोलॉजी जिसमें दो इंफ्रारेड रहेंगे और एक माइक्रोवेव होगा तो जो पेट इम्यूनिटी है वो बढ़ जाती है आपके फॉल्स अलार्म एकदम घट जाते हैं एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू इफ यू हैव अ सीसीटीवी लिंकेज यू विल गेट अ वीडियो वेरिफिकेशन to judge that alarm whether it was a false alarm or whether it is an authentic alarm. In the center below we have provided a outdoor wireless hooter as well. तो बहुत से बार कैसे होता है कि पीपल ओनली प्रोवाइड इंडोर हूटर आउटडोर हूटर के लिए आपको अलग से पावर सप्लाई देना पड़ता है और वायर्ड का कुछ जुगाड़ करना पड़ता है. हियर इन द सेंटर in the bottom line we are providing a completely wireless hooter as well with the strobe light. On the right hand side as I mentioned it is a magnetic contact to secure your doors and windows. And the top left in the bottom left there is a mobile application which could be handy. You can have all the operations on your fingertips and you can operate your panel from anywhere in the world. So these are the complete range of wireless sensors which we have.
इट्स क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग सिद्धेश.
Yes.
जैसा कि हमने देखा कि कंप्लीट रेंज एक प्रोडक्ट की अवेलेबल है एंड जैसे आपने बताया कि स्मोक डिटेक्टर्स भी यहाँ पे यूजफुल है
बिल्कुल.
जो इनसाइड एरियाज के लिए घर के अंदर आप लगा सकते हो उसको प्लस एज वेल एज आउटडोर सिक्योरिटी डिवाइसेस करनी है तो लॉन्ग रेंज पीआर डिटेक्टर है जो आउटसाइड बारिश या आपका सनलाइट या सभी से प्रोटेक्शन कर सकता है उस डिटेक्टर्स को. एंड मोबाइल ऐप इज देयर प्लस एडिशनली कीफॉब के साथ एक पैनिक बटन
Yes.
भी आपको मिलता है. बैंक जैसे पर्पसेस के लिए अगर कोई भी अगर इंसिडेंस हो जाती है एक ऐसा कोई पैनिक बटन आप जस्ट टेबल के नीचे लगाते हो यू कैन इजीली प्रेस दैट एंड यू कैन
Yes.
गिव द अलर्ट टू योर पैनल एंड द सिक्योरिटी सेंटर.
Yes. So especially that panic button and the
Yeah.
entire is very useful for the jewelry and mobile stores.
Yes, that's important.
So for the jewelry stores where you have to cover very small scenario or small premises, this AX hub with 3-4 sensors and CCTV linkage can cover entire premises very well and very effectively.
Right. So we have seen a lots of peripherals available.
Yes.
Additionally, kit के साथ एक peripherals आप add कर सकते हो
Yes.
based on your requirement and application.
Yes.
So quite interesting and lots of things we discussed today.
Yes.
I hope our partner also enjoying that
Yes.
this session on the eggs.
Yes.
Now it's a time to all of our partner. If you have any query, you can just type in your comment section. At the end of the session, we will try to give you answer of all your queries.
Yes.
But here there is a second quiz contest to all of you. जो भी पार्टनर या जो भी व्यूअर इस क्वेश्चन का सही जवाब वेरी फास्टली वहां पे देंगे उनको वहां पे इक्विटी की तरफ से एक गिफ्ट मिलने वाला है. So let's have a question that is a second quiz contest on your screen. How can we configure the panel? ऑप्शन ए, बी, सी एंड डी, 4 ऑप्शन आपके पास अवेलेबल है. पैनल को कॉन्फ़िगर कैसे कर सकते हैं? योर टाइम विल स्टार्ट नाउ. यू हैव ओनली टेक 10 सेकेंड. अगर आपको लगता है कि ए राइट है तो आप टाइप कर सकते हैं कमेंट में ए. इफ यू थिंक द ऑप्शन राइट इज डी, यू कैन टाइप डी इन योर कमेंट सेक्शन. So your time will stop now and hope we have received a right answer from all of your partners because they are just enjoying this session and they are just waiting to give the answer and win the prizes. Thank you so much again to all of partners for participating in this quiz contest. So moving to the next, सिद्धेश, हमने देखा कि ये एक्चुअली पैनल के किट के अंदर क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल है. एक्स्ट्रा आपको पेरिफेरल्स क्या मिलता है?
बिल्कुल.
स्पेसिफिकेशन की या यूएसपीज भी अगर देखें, टेक्निकल यूएसपीज, बहुत सारे टेक्निकल यूएसपी और एक अच्छी टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ हमें यहाँ पे लिस्ट ऑफ यूएसपीज मिल रही है जो आई थिंक हमारे पार्टनर्स को आज समझी होगी एंड दे कैन पुश दिस प्रोडक्ट एट राइट कस्टमर्स.
Right.
बट अगेन आई वांट टू अगेन आस्क यू, अगर रिक्वायरमेंट की बात करें, एप्लीकेशन की बात करें, तो क्या हम फोकस कर सकते हैं, क्या आप गाइड कर सकते हो आज हमारे पार्टनर्स को कौन सी जगह पे ये एप्लीकेशन इसका यूज हो सकता है, इसके फीचर्स हम अच्छी तरह यूज कर सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. तो हमने अगर इंटेलिजेंट सिस्टम की पहले कभी भी बात की होगी तो आपने सिर्फ बीएफएसआई सेगमेंट की ही बात की रहेगी, बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस सेगमेंट. इधर आपको पता है कि ब्रांच मैनेजर के पास एक बटन होता है, वो अलार्म जनरेट कर सकता है. यू ऑलवेज थॉट दैट इज द ओनली यूज ऑफ इंटेलिजेंट सिस्टम. बट and why would anyone else think of installing this system for your home? Because it looks gaudy, it's metallic, it's very big.
Actually, wiring is also there.
Wiring is also there, and basically it ruins your aesthetic of your place, right?
Yes.
Whether it is a home or a jewelry store or any other store which you have, put a lot of money to build on the aesthetics.
Okay.
So people don't want that kind of a bigger panels in your premises, right? So even though they provide you security, but then again, aesthetics is also very important. So what we have done, we have provided you a very aesthetically beautiful panel, equally efficient and very powerful. And now we will show you that how we can implement that in the residential segment as well, because smart home or secure home is a need of an hour, and that's why we need to have this kind of panels in the residential segment as well. We will have an example of a residential segment. ये समझो आपका ये घर है. So you will be installing this kind of sensors in your panel. So for example, the panic button which is mentioned in the green color will be next to your bed. कि अगर आप बेडरूम में हो, आपको कोई लग रहा है कि आपके दरवाजे से या खिड़की से कोई अंदर घुसने की कोशिश कर रहा है, we can create an alert. This is a very handy for the people who are staying away from their parents, who are working in a different cities, and their old parents are staying with in different city, and still they feel that their parents should be secure and safe. You can have this panel gifted to them, and it will be installed within a minutes, and it will provide them a complete secure premises. Secondly, you can install magnetic contact in the blue which I have mentioned, that it has to be installed on the windows and doors to secure that entry. If someone try to budge in or force their way in, it will give you an alert. PIR motion sensor would be there in the bedroom or the lobby as well, because बहुत से बार कैसे होता है, Vinit, if someone installs a camera in your place, people feel little awkward. अगर आपके घर में बेडरूम में कैमरा लगा है तो even though it's secure, you have a privacy mode and everything, but still you are little conscious कि घर में कैमरा है. So if you don't want that kind of solution, you can install the motion sensor, and it will cover the entire area and secure the entire area. And in red, the panel should be at the center location because it has to emit the range for the entire premises. So 800 मीटर का range है, it should be covered entirely. So this is how you can take the entire premises.
So that's quite interesting. Residential के लिए आपको लगाना है पैनल. हमने पैनल को तो समझा है कि फीचर क्या है,
Yes.
एडवांटेज क्या है, बट कौन सा सेंसर्स कहाँ पे आप लगा सकते हो,
बिल्कुल
शायद ये सब क्लियर हो
बिल्कुल
गया होगा
बिल्कुल
हमारे पार्टनर्स को
बिल्कुल
कि कैसे आप सोल्यूशन डिजाइन करके एक होम या रेजिडेंशियल पर्पस के लिए ये
बिल्कुल
पैनल का यूज कर सकते हो। ऑलरेडी आपने कैमरेज कुछ लगे हुए, सेम कस्टमर को आप ज्यादा सिक्योरिटी इस पैनल के जरिए प्रोवाइड कर सकते हो। So viewers, everyone again just would like to inform that again there is a Pro Disco offer is enabled at your mobile app. You can just click on the yellow color Pro Disco offer tab and you can avail a Pro Disco offer. Please do not miss the chance to get the Pro Disco offer live going on this technology top of X Hub.
yes
आप देख सकते हो मोबाइल ऐप पे जाओगे, अगर हमारा अगर लाइव व्यू का स्क्रीन है तो ठीक स्क्रीन के राइट साइड पे नीचे प्रो डिस्को टैब अवेलेबल है, यू जस्ट हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दैट एंड यू कैन गेट द प्रो डिस्को ऑफर. So hope everyone enjoying this session and they are getting a lots of knowledge
yes
about this AX Hub through our speakers, and you also are getting the chance to win a quiz contest. But we will declare the name of the winner of quiz contest
of course
at the end of the session. But हम सही जवाब क्या था वो भी
वो
हम
भी देखेंगे
क्वेश्चन का देख
बिल्कुल
लेंगे, एग्जैक्टली क्या सही जवाब था.
बिल्कुल
Also there is a pro disco offer to open for all of you.
yes
Now, Siddesh, we have seen a focus on the residential application, but apart from if you are moving to the SMB, okay, for business purpose, how you will suggest how we can place these sensors?
So it's a very effective panel and Vineet, as you have rightly mentioned कि residential के लिए aesthetic importance होता है
Okay.
but then again अगर आपका बिजनेस है, आपका स्टोर है या फिर आपकी छोटी सी ब्रांच है, एटीएम सिनारियो है, तो भी आप वो चीजें सिक्योर करना चाहोगे एंड विद द लेस एफर्ट्स. अगर आपको ज्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स पैनल है तो आप बिल्कुल उसमें हाथ नहीं डालोगे, आपको काम नहीं करने का मन करेगा. So what we have provided, we have given you an example of a small businesses as well. We will see that on the screen right now. समझ लो ये आपका स्टोर है. If there is a store, you can install the PIR sensor on the corners to cover the entire area. You can see you have to install the PIR sensor on the corner of the wall so that it covers the entire area because the range of a PIR goes in the angular manner.
Okay.
ठीक है. So basically it covers the entire area up to 10 to 15 feet, 15 meters with the angular of 100 degree, and that is how the entire system works. The panic button, as I mentioned, would be at the desk of the manager or the cash counter. जो आपका बिजनेस में यूजुअली होता है, जो एंट्रेंस के पास कैश काउंटर होता है तो उनके नीचे यू हैव टू पुट द पैनिक बटन.
Okay.
Your doors, windows and magnetic contact has to be, it's covered by the magnetic contact with the wireless solution. So someone tries to budge in, someone tries to force in, you will get an alert. And later on we would be having a panel situated at the location where it can emit the range entirely to the premises. तो आपको ये make sure करना है कि your all the sensors are in the range with the panel and you can detect that very easily with the double tap on the side of the button of the panel and you will get the range detection mode as well. तो आप वो range detection mode में you will understand which sensors are in the range and which sensors are out of range, and according to that you can adjust the location of the sensors of the panel. Apart from all this, of course ये आपका business है, you won't be staying there for entire night, you would be going to your home. So how would you know that whether your panel is working rightly or not? For that we have provided multiple solutions. From remote control you can arm and disarm the panel while going in or going out. You have a mobile application solution to get the video notification through CCTV cameras. Apart from that you will get the SMS and calls from the panel itself. तो आपको सारे टाइप के मोबाइल अलर्ट्स मिलेंगे. इफ यू आर कनेक्टेड विद द CMS, आपको CMS पे भी अलर्ट आ जाएंगे. दैट इज अगेन एडवांटेज इन द पैनल. So it is basically a holistic solution for your entire need, whether it is a security, whether it is a CCTV monitoring, whether it is a automation part as well. You will get a complete solution in one single package.
दैट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. जैसा हमने देखा कि ये पैनल के अंदर सिद्धेश की मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन तो ऐड कर सकते हैं, उसके साथ साथ अलग अलग डिटेक्टर्स, अलग अलग सेंसर्स आप लगा सकते हो. सो होप आवर पार्टनर्स हैव सीन द कंप्लीट एप्लीकेशन, जिन्होंने देखा होगा कि ये पैनल के साथ अलग अलग डिटेक्टर्स मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन के जरिए आपको अलर्ट्स वगैरह आ सकते हैं. बट देयर इज अ ह्यूज रिक्वायरमेंट लाइक मोस्टली कमर्शियल में कोई एक शॉप या कोई एक ब्रांच वहां पे नहीं रहता, मल्टीपल ब्रांचेस रह सकते हैं. सो वहां पे हम एक सेंट्रलाइज मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर भी वहां पे दे सकते हैं. सेंट्रली ये सारे पैनल और मल्टीपल पैनल्स कैन बी गेट कनेक्टेड एंड यू विल गेट द अलर्ट्स.
बिल्कुल. You can even plot the panels on the map So even for example, your stores are situated in a different region, different states. You
Right.
can have a map popped up, and आपको map पे पता चलेगा कि आपके कौन से store से alert आ रहा है. So even that is
Yes,
there.
that's Higgs Central platform is also more important
Exactly.
to do the mapping, and you will get a complete requirement, a complete solution.
Yes.
Either it's a CCTV and either it's a alarm or intrusion. You will get a complete monitoring on a single map.
Platform. Yes.
So that's good, Siddesh. Quite interesting session, and we have given lots of insightful information.
Yes.
जैसे हमने बताया था कुछ queries रहेंगे तो आप पूछ सकते हो.
बिल्कुल.
So we have received some queries from all of our partners.
That's really
Let's
great.
we'll attend the one by one.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, First question asked by one of our partner is that battery life of sensor. How much is the battery life of sensors?
So as I mentioned earlier, basically battery life of a sensor depends on the usage of a sensor. So generally the batteries which we provide in a sensor provides a battery life of a 1 year. But since the panel and sensor has a two-way wireless communication, your battery life even can last longer. So that is a battery life would be of 1 year, but depending upon the usage, it would be work accordingly.
Okay. So sensor की battery life
Yes.
depend on your usage.
Usage.
Definitely it will work.
Yeah.
So apart from that, second question we have received: what if a wired panel is already installed at one particular location and customer want to move to wireless using wired sensor?
Yes.
तो वो बोल रहे हैं कि उनके यहाँ पे वायर्ड पैनल ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल किया है
हाँ.
और उनको कम्प्लीटली सिस्टम वायरलेस पे चेंज करना है.
Yes.
सो इज इट पॉसिबल?
It's very much possible, and mind you, this is a typical question which we get because usually
Right.
पहले सिर्फ wired panel ही हुआ करते थे, and now the world is moving toward the wireless IoT based solution, and so people obviously want to invest their existing system, install their utilize their existing system, existing sensors.
Yes.
So what we have done, Vinith, we have a input expander module, or a, you can say wired to wireless converter, a small sensor which will get connected to your existing wired sensor, and that sensor will communicate with the panel wirelessly.
Okay.
So
okay.
you have an option to go from wired to wireless using your existing sensors, wired sensors. So yes, you can do that.
Okay, that's very interesting. So that is also possible. We can use wired plus wireless
Yes.
also.
Yes.
Then third question we have received that do we require a range extender in wireless panel?
So basically, a range expander would be needed if you have two stories or three stories of bungalows, but we do not recommend to cover that kind of peak of a premises with a single panel because lot could go wrong. If so what happens is like if you are covering a bigger premises, the range connectivity matters a lot. So for example, if you close the door on the third floor bedroom, and if your panel is installed on the first floor, the range might get cut off. Even though they work seamlessly when every door is open, but on the working, if you do close the window or close the door, the range might cut off. So we don't recommend the range expander. We basically suggest you that you have to go ahead with the panel, and it will emit you the enough range to cover the entire premises. If it is going beyond the range, you can use wired sensor with input expander module.
Okay.
Bring that into our range so that we can work it out and you can provide you the enough solution, complete solution. Or else you can have a separate panel on the same mobile application on the same CMS where you can use both the panels on the same mobile application for the different flows or from different place. So that can be worked out. Yes.
One more question we have received. SIM slot will support 4G or 5G?
So so yes. So basically, the technology which we are using is GPRS. So GPRS require so it works on a 2G, 3G, 4G. Okay, but it doesn't work for only VoLTE or LTE band.
Okay.
So the SIM card which you use should be supporting 2G and 3G as well. Because see, this panel is made for entire India, not only for the metropolitan cities.
Okay.
Because it should cater to the all the requirement needs of all the customers, not only for the particular city or a particular cosmopolitan segment. So for to make that possible, in rural India, 2G, 3G bands are still working and they require that kind of a bandwidth as well to communicate on that band. So that's why we have a GPRS based panel. So your SIM card should be 2G, 3G, 4G supported, not only LTE or VoLTE.
That's great, Siddesh. So lots of technical queries are
Yes.
there from customer end, but there are the solution of each and every
Of course,
queries
very
from
much.
the customer.
Of course.
So again, Siddesh, I think we will finally again focus on the application scenario part.
Hmm.
कि कहाँ कहाँ ये पैनल्स को हम दे सकते हैं, कहाँ कहाँ ये पैनल हो सकता है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So as customers, you can see on your screen, we can provide them for multiple application.
बिल्कुल.
जो important है, that is a villa, then home, retail,
Yes. Yes.
office, museum जो आपने
Yes.
बताया
Yes.
था, ऐसे बहुत सारे applications के लिए ये पैनल को आप
बिल्कुल.
use कर सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
So hope you have enjoyed this session. Now again, it's a time of quiz contest winners.
Yes.
तो क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट विनर को डिक्लेयर करने से पहले देखते हैं क्विज का पहला क्विज का जो क्वेश्चन हमने पूछा था उसका राइट आंसर क्या है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So on your screen we will see the right answer of your first quiz contest.
Yes. So basically the question was, what is the maximum range of the panel? So we have discussed earlier in the specification itself that panel works on the 433 megahertz frequency, and that is why it has a maximum range of 800 meters in open area. So 800 meters is the right answer.
800 meter is right answer, and winner name is Mr. Liaquat Qureshi from Plus Enterprises. Mr. Liaquat Qureshi from Plus Enterprises. Congratulations, sir, for winning the gift for quiz contest.
Yes.
Move on to the second quiz question.
This was a bit tricky question.
Yes.
Because it's basically user friendliness of a panel.
Okay.
कि कितना आसानी से कोई इंस्टॉल कॉन्फ़िगर कर सकता है. So that basically focuses on that. So the right answer for the question that how can we configure the panel? First option was using mobile application. Second option was using web browser.
Yes.
Third option was IOMS 4200. आप बहुत से पैनल में देखोगे कि स्पेसिफिक चीज से या स्पेसिफिक फॉर्मेट से ही आप कॉन्फ़िगर कर सकते हो. But we are very flexible and we are providing all the above ways to configure the panel. So the right answer would be all of the above.
Yes, and the winner name is Mr. Prakash S from Lakshmi Technologies. Mr. Prakash S from Lakshmi Technologies.
Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations again. And so that's all about the AX Hub, its complete package, and
Yes.
very interesting and useful product apart from the CCTV.
Yes.
CCTV का वीडियो सर्विलेंस तो सब लोग यूज कर ही रहे हैं
Yes.
का, but एक additional security with latest technology. If you want
Yes.
to provide,
Yes.
if you want to secure your premises, definitely you can go with AX.
Yes.
So Siddesh, thank you so much again
Yeah.
for coming today in this technology talk and sharing a lots of information and
Yes.
technical stuff and your expertise with all of our partners.
Thank you so much, Vinit, for having me here, and I hope that you enjoyed the session. You learned something new, and I have provided you a better business prospect as well for your market. Thank you so much.
So thank you so much again. All we will go. We will check all of your queries. If you have any kind of doubt, definitely we will ask to all of your queries. We will attend your queries. For any kind of support, you can contact to our regional product
Definitely.
manager or product sales team. Definitely they will help for you. So thank you so much. We will meet next time again with a new topic, new technologies, and new solutions. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you.
So much.